In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send to back in Canva. If you've ever placed an image or shape on your design and it covers something you wanted visible, you don't need to delete or rearrange everything else. Canva uses layers. Think of them like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. Sending an element to the back places it on the very bottom of that stack, so the rest of your design sits above it. To do this, first open your Canva project. Make sure you're in the design where the element you want to adjust is visible on the canvas. Click once to select that element, whether it's a photo, a shape, an icon, or a text box. You'll see a bounding box appear, confirming it's selected. Now, right-click directly on that selected element. This opens a context menu with several options specific to what you selected. Look for the option labeled Layer. Click Layer to reveal more choices related to how your element sits in the stack. From those options, choose Send to Back. The moment you click it, Canva moves the selected element to the lowest layer of your design. Visually, you'll see it slide behind every other item on the canvas. If you had text, buttons, or illustrations in front, they'll now remain clear and unobstructed, while your Sent to Back element acts as a background or subtle accent. Take a second to review the result. Zoom in if needed, and make sure nothing important is hidden behind your newly repositioned element. If your canvas is busy, click elsewhere and then reselect items to confirm the stacking order looks the way you intended. Small adjustments, like nudging the element or resizing it, can help it support the design without competing for attention. If items are close together, click carefully on the exact element before you right-click. This makes sure the layer option applies to the right item and prevents you from changing the wrong element by mistake. That's all there is to it. By using the right-click menu, the layer option, and Send to Back, you can control your visual hierarchy in just a couple of clicks. Practice this on a few elements, and arranging your layouts will start to feel fast and intuitive. Once you're comfortable with this flow, you'll find it much easier to keep important content visible, establish depth, and create clean, professional designs without constant manual repositioning. Thanks for watching, and enjoy designing with confidence.